Hey, it's your boy Crypto Expat back with another video, and in this video we're going to do a review on PolkaOracle. So let's get into the video right now. Guys, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for coming back if you're a returning subscriber. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell notification so that when I upload my videos, you get notified immediately. I'm bringing out new projects all the time and reviewing them, and this one here is a substrate-based self-evolving Oracle system. PolkaOracle is a flexible, self-evolving Oracle network built on Polkadot, providing applications or smart contracts with customized real-time on-chain data feeding services. Built on-chain Oracle self-evolution, scalability, and interoperability and real-time data feeding. This project does look very similar to a project in the Oracle space, which I covered already, called API 3. Yeah, some of the things they're talking about are very similar to the Oracle side of it. It's very similar to the problems that they've already solved, or API 3 has already solved. So it is similar in that sense. Let's have a look at the key features. Compared with other Oracle systems such as Chainlink, PolkaOracle owns a unique design concept and system architecture, able to provide blockchain applications with data services that integrate important features like cross-chain interoperability, scalability, real-time feeding, and self-evolution to the system. The key features are detailed below. Built-in on-chain Oracle, PolkaOracle will be built on off-chain worker module Substrate 2.0 to leverage Substrate nodes to perform advanced computation and data feeding entirely on-chain. The new feature of Substrate 2.0 would allow developers to build and unload more complex operations, including web request, price feed, advanced computation, and other CPU-intensive tasks. Self-evolution. PolkaOracle is a dynamic, self-evolving ecosystem driven by community power and cutting-edge computable network technology. The NRF-based challenge mechanism will continuously optimize the data feed model, the entire network, so as to provide increasingly accurate and reliable data support with verification services. Then it says scalability and interoperability, greater maximum flexibility and reliable. PolkaOracle will be built on Substrate and the groundbreaking blockchain development framework of parity, sharing the same key features with Polkadot, including scalability, security, and interoperability. This is probably the three biggest issues in blockchain at the moment. Real-time data feeding. PolkaOracle adopted the built-in module Substrate 2.0, enabling applications who call upon Oracle services and credible and reliable real-time data feeding through the trustless on-chain operations such as on-chain computation, encryption and decryption, data verification, randomly challenged. Okay, so let's just look at the tokenomics. Governance, payment and deposits. Tokenomics distribution, there's 21 million, what they call it, POT is the ticker, pot. 35% reserved for mining, fundraising 20%, liquidity fund 20%, ecosystem growth 15%, and team advisors 10%, which is not too bad. I don't like it when there's a lot of tokens with the team and advisors. Shows a breakdown there. The seed round was 10 cents, which is, that's incredibly low price. Private round 20 cents, and auction is 40 cents. 5% of supply, no lockup. Okay, so there's vesting periods on these, which is always good. It's not very long. How about 20% vesting on the listing and 8% monthly over 10 months, which is not that good actually. That goes to show that 10 months, they're only willing to give 10 months. They're not willing to have the tokens locked up. So To me, that's a bit of a red flag. I don't like that. Private round 30%, private round 30% vesting on the listing, and 10% monthly over 7 months. Again, not a very long lockup at all. If we look at the roadmap, let's see, most of this stuff is coming next year. The auction now. The auction is, let's see, pot tokens will be vested through a 3rd-year period to better ensure the value basis of pot tokens. So they must be talking about the team there if they're talking about 3-year period, because that's a seed round, private round, the auction. So they must be talking about the team and advisors. Yeah, they are. There you go. Team and advisors, 10% of the total supply, 10% on a listing, and then vesting of 3 years. Okay, that's okay. I like that. A lot of the seed investors will be able to get some access to their tokens. Okay, it's not too bad. Deflationary mechanism. The token supply deflationary is a mechanism to ensure the company can generate demand for tokens in the market and reduce supply of team at the same time. Alright, so yeah, most projects do use this. Some of them have a very low supply, but it's just another cog in the wheel and a piece to the bigger puzzle. And whenever you see projects that just rely on low supply, that's a red flag, big time. They didn't have the team information on there, which was, I was concerned at first, but maybe they're still building their team. And they did have the team here. Okay, so they have their LinkedIn profiles, CTO, the COO marketing from USA and Japan ambassador, advisors. You really want to have a look at who's behind the project, and the experience of the team is very important. So on Twitter they did have faces of the team, which was good. Again, I haven't done deep dives into the actual profiles themselves and whether they are real or whether they have experience in blockchain. Okay, so it looks like it's a very new. If we look at GitHub, it's only there's not a lot on GitHub either. It's like 7 commits, but again, you know, it is a new project. So it says that there's not much information here on the actual start of the project. Let's just go and have a look at Telegram. It doesn't have a start date. So I'm assuming this will be somewhere in Q1 next year. So we're still a long ways off with this actual project. I don't think, see guys, the ICO ongoing, guys. Yeah, it looks, yeah, it says public sale will be held in the near future. So people are already asking when's it going to come. So it's basically starting to start at 40 cents. Alright. Okay, so here's some more information here that talks about the lockup periods, who gets what. Yeah, I do like the lockup period, how there's a long lockup and drip fed for the seed investors and private investors. So yeah, that's not too bad. But the actual team and advisors, they have 3-year lockup period, 10% when the sale is on. So it's okay. Yeah, I would say it's pretty good actually. It's not fantastic, but it's still pretty good. Okay, so there's some more information here on the Medium, the GitHub, the Twitter, and the wiki, of course. We've just quickly gone over these, but if you want to get more in the technicals, you can read more about the data flow architecture. Different setup, but they're trying to solve the same problems. Okay, so that's for you guys to obviously do some more research. Okay, I don't know when this comes out. I'll try to update you guys when it does come out. I might do another video, but obviously you guys still need to do a lot more research on this. I'm just sort of putting it out there now, and it may be some ways off Q1 next year. Alright guys, so Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe because I'll do more updates and more videos on new projects that are coming, and then you'll be able to know about them before everyone else does, and you can obviously be the first ones in if it's something that you really enjoy. However, all the really best stuff, I have it in my Patreon group, and you may want to check that out. It's only a low monthly fee. It'll be the next intro after I finish here. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.
Are you new to crypto and DeFi? You're not sure how to navigate through the scams and keep away from the sharks trying to steal your crypto? This space can be very daunting for newbies. That's why we created 100xcryptoacademy.com. This is not just a course on DeFi, yield farming, and investing, but a real community of like-minded crypto enthusiasts who believe crypto is the key to financial freedom. You'll get 50+ HD on-demand videos, ongoing research analysis and pre-screened, ICO and pre-sales, 4 weekly webinars per month, with live Q&A, private access to our exclusive forum, and our vibrant Telegram group for live chat and updates. All for a low monthly investment. Check out our Patreon at 100xcryptoacademy.com.